What's up, folks? Missed me? Today, I'm gonna share with y'all our amazing vegan lemon pie, with a special twist, homemade coconut whipped cream. It's a killer dessert that'll blow everyone away, even those who ain't vegans. So grab a pen and paper, cause we're diving in. First off, we need our homemade coconut whipped cream. To whip it up, toss that coconut milk can in the fridge overnight or at least for 8 hours. Let that cream separate from the liquid. Next day, pull that coconut milk can out of the fridge, careful not to shake it. You'll see a thick layer of coconut cream on top. Gently scoop that layer into a bowl. Add powdered sugar to the coconut cream, and if you're feeling fancy, throw in some vanilla extract for flavor. Whip that cream up with an electric mixer or a good old whisk until it's fluffy and got that whipped cream vibe. Perfecto! Now, let's get this pie rolling. Start by preheating the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. For the crust, mix up them crushed cookies with coconut sugar and melted margarine. Press that mix into the bottom of a pie dish. Bake the crust in the preheated oven for 10 minutes or until it's lightly golden, then let it cool. For the filling, mix up the vegan lemon yogurt, lemon juice, lemon zest, coconut sugar, cornstarch, and a pinch of salt in a bowl. Pour that filling mix onto the pre-baked crust and toss it in the oven for another 15 to 20 minutes until the filling's all firm. Let the pie cool at room temp and then pop it in the fridge for a few hours until it's ice cold. For the topping, whip that coconut milk cream with powdered sugar until it's light. Slather it over the pie. To finish it off, throw some lemon zest on top. It's gonna be pure charm. Slice it up, and voila! You're ready to savor your delicious vegan lemon pie. Now that you've mastered this delight, show some love for our hustle by dropping that like, hitting subscribe, and sharing this video with everyone. If you're struggling to find any ingredient, drop a comment down below, and we got your back. Catch you later. Julie out.